Yeah, I definitely think that there's like room for both the classics and the new chemical entities. James, as the CEO and business guy, do you have any sort of predictions in terms of like what's the market share of new chemical entities versus classic psychedelics, say maybe 10, 20 years from now? Is everyone just using new chemical entities and we've forgotten all about the classic psychedelics, or are most people still using the classics and only a select few that really care about having a shorter trip time or less hallucinogenic effect are going after those new chemical entities? What market looks like in your opinion?
Well, I think, first of all, to be clear, I think there's room for both, and there will be people, there is today, a very, vocal, passionate, community that is in favor of the biological product, the whole mushroom. You'll find some folks with very strong viewpoints, and I understand, where that is coming from. It's we come at this from the medical and the medicinal chemistry side, and so we do have a point of view that ultimately, the synthetic optimized versions are going to have a much easier time of making it through the regulatory process. So I think, like, we can all see there's growing acceptance of magic mushrooms in a way that I don't think we could have predicted a few years ago, and I think that's great. But I think that as far as the medical market goes, this synthetic version is going to offer is going to have some potential areas of superiority over the original drug. And so I do think that for the medical market, the large majority of that is going to be the next generation drugs. It's hard to see how it could be any other way, to be honest.